the beautiful lady and the man. You know the general, though. In the building right about now. Guess what? Well, I want to welcome you to Teamblue Entertainment Radio. How are you doing?
Yeah, everything good, you know. I mean, so excited to be here in Germany. You know, tonight is all about stud guy. Yeah, why make you one broke for me back? Why make you one broke for me back?
'Cause I got that, na-na.
Mad!
You know that's something to go. And we have DJ King Kenny also in the building. What go on, General? Is everything good?
King Kenny! King Kenny! King Kenny!
You know that you the love hide. Him say him gonna drink some water. I don't know. But before we move
on. Listen, man, watch him go way over there. So you think easy. Every second the man want wait. Listen. King Kenny, forward, man. The people that want your advice. See that?
King Kenny, what's up, my brother? What's up, my brother?
Teamblue Entertainment, big up. You don't know the whole world chipping in right now. You don't know Sweden, Masuno, Germany, Holland. Yo, hear me, son, man. Jamaica, on there, same way. Big up RE. You know, we change the name from RR to RE or to RE. You understand me?
but I don't understand it. I don't understand this. People have to tell me. So why did you guys just change that name without telling me? Because I'm here promoting RR. I'm like a big bite, something there. I'm like how she looks. So
no worries. Everybody still call me RR, but officially I'm going by Ree, sweetheart.
RR, the bumper, they have to call it RR. I'm not change the name. Sorry, I'm not changing it. You hear that something there? All right, I want to jump right into it. Razor.
Like you become rebel, me RR.
You see that something there? You see that something there? You see that something there? People, I want to welcome RR and Razor B and the man himself, our own DJ King Kenny, to the program. This is a live interview on Teamblue Entertainment Radio. Your boy DJ Blue is here. But right now I want to know some more about these two artists. So I'm going to jump right into it. RR, I want you to introduce yourself to the people.
Hi everyone, I am the beautiful lady from Jamaica, Nana Boss herself. You must know Crazy in Love featuring Movado. I think that I might be crazy for you. I've been in the business for a few years, have collaborations with Sizzler, Datty One, collaborations with Left Side, you guys know Left Side Pianist. And I'm here just to shell the place. Germany, what's up? Love and respect to all, enough respect.
Bless. And England is also here, all also here. Gambia, South Africa. So bless up to everyone. But now, the man, Razor, introduce yourself to the people.
Well, we don't know what I'm supposed to do. I mean, say, I wish you want it. Up in there, hey, girl, I want it. Why make you one broke for me back? Why make you one broke for me? On the big song where you know the girl, I say, it's sweet, yeah. So just tell me it's sweet, yeah. Hot up. Sure, you know the thing already. It's been years and years. My second time here in Europe, you know what I mean? So the tour, you know, tonight I'm mad, so I'm a stud guy. I'm excited, so we just want to know all the fans and just roll out, you know what I mean? The tour is going good. Big up King Kenny, you know what I mean? Big up Blue Team Blue, you know the thing already. RR there, to shake up her bumper, make the girls them know, say, oh, they not fake it real. So she said, any man in Europe, you know, I want to come touch the bumper and bring up in.
I am looking at it right now, what I'm saying. Without further ado, I want to get more up close and personal in your guys' your names, right? How did you guys pick that name? Because most of the time, artists has a story behind how they got their name, right? So I want you guys to tell me, how did you select the name that you selected?
Okay, ladies before gentlemen, I'm gonna let answer this one first.
Well, my is Renee Reed, so we just use the initials. Everywhere I went, people were always fascinated, I should say men, were always fascinated over my bumper. So when they say RR, they're referring to a room. So it worked hand in hand for me. So a lot of people just, that's how it came about, and we just took it on board.
All right, I like
well, for me, I mean, yes. For me, I mean, I was very sharp. And ever since I got my 12 pack on my stomach, you know what I mean? The name doesn't even become. So the ladies, you know what I mean? The ladies just love it, you understand? So why it is with us constantly, the razor with us out on the beach, the razor blade, images up. So ladies, if you're listening, come on tonight. You see the first human being a 12 pack stomach. It's not a joke, it's serious. I've been working out very hard. Stop here. Take it off my belly. Get out of my stomach. Get out of here.
Behave in the studio, people. Behave in the studio. Control yourself. But hold on, Razor B, you know, I've been doing some posters with you, and I'm saying, boy, this man don't like shirt. This man never have had a shirt yet.
Yeah, listen, remember I say I grew up in Canada and I've been in Canada for a while and listen, shirtless me go. So they wonder how a man like this to walk around in the snow without shirt. But the ladies, them when them see the shirt come off, you know what I mean, them scream, say, no, tonight it's another shirtless show.
It's a shirtless event, right?
It's not going to change rename, right? From R-E, medium shirtless.
Shirtless. That's something, shirtless. Understand me? But I'm liking how the interview is going so far. But I want to get deeper in your guys' thought of thinking, you know what I mean? And I want to ask you a question, right? I want you to share with your viewers, with your listeners right now and your fans, right? Something that you want them to know that you think they don't know.
Well, Ree, go ahead, you know. What do you want?
Tell them something. Get personal with them.
Well, for me personally, so, you know what I mean, my life is an open book, you know what I mean? At the Real Razor B, you see everything about me. I couldn't swim, now I'm learning how to swim. So I think a lot of people, and I think a lot of Jamaicans cannot swim. So one of the things is that, you know what I mean, my fear and phobia of swimming is one of the things that a lot of people don't know. And I do get a little bit of a nervous jitter before I enter on the stage, but once I'm on the stage, I just give it my all, you know what I mean? Because music for me, you know what I mean, the love and the passion that I have for it, a lot of people don't know that, where Razor B is kind of shy.
Well, them Razor B, never know say shy. If you're a man who walk out without shirt, I don't know you could be shy, brother.
Listen. Tell the people them something with them they know, so that me just tell you who they know if me never tell you, sir.
Yeah, you see it.
I know, me I tell me, listen to them.
Lady, the
I'm acting a little bit shy.
Well, for me, when I started on music, I actually wanted to go full on raw, like ladies are raw. But when you see me, you see a totally different individual. So the image never worked with what I really wanted to do. But a lot of people don't know that I do have a professional job also. So I juggle both my passion, which is music, along with having a corporate job.
So could you tell us what is your professional job? If it's
well,
okay.
Both. I can't say either or. I'm saying I also have another job. So I'm one of those independent ladies that do everything for ourselves, and we try to strive without getting anything from independent ladies. Make sure you roll out. I am a key account corporate manager for a major telecoms company in Jamaica.
Lady with the brain. You hear that, people? Lady with the brain. You understand me? No, I want to go a little bit more deeper, yeah? I want to ask you if you were looking for a partner or a relationship, yeah? What is your checklist?
Renee, are you looking for a partner or a relationship, Renee?
Yo, Razor B, long me no man. Sure. What did you say? Can you please repeat?
I'm saying if you know that people when they're looking for a relationship, or let me rephrase this. Let me change the question, yeah? I want to know your status. Are you married, single, or complicated?
No. Razor, be quiet.
No, I mean like a king Kenny, so complicated.
No, I am in a relationship.
She's in a complicated relationship.
No, I'm in a committed relationship.
Okay,
I am.
So people that wanted to know she's taken, take the I off R-E or Ray. Take your eye off the beautiful lady. No, Razor B, tell the ladies them, because every ladies are going to come after you tonight, you know. Talk to them.
Jesus, listen to me. Can I play the fifth on this one? Can I omit? No, you know what I'm not fucking. I mean, big up wifey.
Oh boy. Okay.
Wifey, no, listen. Big up wifey. Anyway, she stand up in the world. You understand? Because right now she's listening to this interview. And me don't want to get the boot. So you know what I mean. By the end of the day, I mean, I am happily married. And big up wifey Regina. Anyway, she stand up in the world. She's also my manager. She stood behind me for all my career. You know what I mean? Throughout my career, ups and downs. So I just want to big up each and every woman that stood behind the man. You know what I mean? Whether we're artists or non-artists, you know what I mean? You have great women out there, you know what I mean? And I'm lucky to find one, you understand? So by the end of the day, we just want to pick up all of the good man them. Like how Rhea Fair, good man, Razor B, have him good woman. But hey, listen, ladies, I still can't touch my abs because she give me permission, you understand?
Well put. Well
Don't worry,
well
Reggie,
put.
I look out for you.
Well put, my general.
But
Listen,
tonight,
but no, yeah?
now I'm saying tonight the men can surely come out and because I want to make sure that none of us come out tonight.
Aye.
So I want to dance with any man with them feel like so them can take on a real Jamaican woman.
What yo?
The competition is up and running. The competition is up and running. But all right, since I've asked you that question and we found out that both artists are in a relationship, but you can have fun with them tonight. I want to ask you guys if, right, you were not in a relationship and you were looking for a partner, what would be your ideal partner so you can do a checklist for us? What would you guys be looking for?
Well, for me, one, they have to be able to, they have to believe in God, one. Two, they have to be very supportive, someone that strives for their goals, very determined, ambitious. And most of all, it's really about the support, because especially you being in the industry, you need someone there that can full on support you throughout the entire ordeal as your journey continues. So, physique for me is not really much of a necessity.
That's for Razor B, right?
Don't draw me out. My man's sexy right now. But back in the day, we used to do with some ugly duckling.
Oh!
Whoa,
wow!
Jesus,
Okay. So what Renee is trying to say, whether it's an ugly duckling or a chubby guy or a slim, skinny, it doesn't matter. She doesn't have any preference in guys, right, Renee? Black, brown, white, it doesn't matter, right?
Purple.
Can you always
Okay.
chocolate to my thing, yeah?
She like her coffee, black.
All right, Razor B, the general. Your time in the general. Come on, you get beaten for your wife tonight.
And you know what I mean, for me personally, a woman has to be very independent like myself, well educated, know what she wants, and stood behind her, she stood behind her man, and like, for me personally, it's just about what's in the heart, I can say that, God fearing also, for me, because I'm a person that believes in the Almighty Father, God, and without God, we're nothing. So, whether, I'm not specific as far, like, growing up, I've always loved Indian, Indian chicks, mix, because the truth my hair not that good. I say any woman may I get pregnant or having my child, they have to have good hair and brown skin, because no one them here for stop and curly. Me no want them have no tough hair like mine. When you understand? Because you see man is like afro without the afro.
Comb through,
Me try comb through, me try brush through, me try every through. None of that through don't work with that. Me try S curl and Jerry curl. I mean, I tell you, it never works. Me hair tough, not my head. Me hair tough.
You hear that? Kenny, you hear that, King Kenny?
I tell you. In there, Kenny.
But I want to touch a little bit on your personal career, yeah? I want to know, where did you draw your inspiration from? Starting with the beautiful lady first, yeah?
I've always been in performing arts from I was 4, ballet coming up through dance and everything. So it was instilled in me from way back when I was a toddler. But as it relates to music, I do achieve, or I should say strive to be top notch, which is one of my mentors, which is Beyonce or Rihanna, or even as it goes to roots, you're thinking about Lauryn Hill. But it's just being around supportive people and friends that are in the music, it kind of somewhat push you to even want to achieve your goals or want to achieve what your passion is. So that's basically it for me.
Oh, wow. That's a good one. You know what I mean? My musical influence, is just always growing up around music. You know what I mean? Growing up in Jamaica, it's all about entertainment for us, whether it's sports, whether it's music, it's a straight entertainment. And going to high school back in Jago, where we used to compete with classmates, just the DJ for lunch money and all that stuff. So, music has always been a part of my soul, I'm also a chef, where I have my own business when I was in Canada, cooking my own food, but music was my calling, definitely, Buju Banton has always been that influence in my life and my career, musically, because Buju Banton, when I'm stand up, can't wait for him to be released this December, love to be on the same stage as him. You know what I mean? And musical, and I will watch out. Yo, I want to go in studio, yeah, Lord Jesus.
Behave yourself, behave yourself, people. Calm down.
Really careful.
So, you know what I mean? So it's a music for me, you know what I mean? Like I said, Jamaica has played a major role. Canada has played a major role in my career, you know what I mean? And dancers also has played a major role because when you really listen to the Razor Beat song, most of the songs them and most of my hit songs are from dancing.
That's
Where
true,
at
that's
up,
true.
broke back, up in there, you know what I mean? Anky
Yeah, that's true,
Panky,
that's true,
Don't
that's
Stop
true.
It, and all those songs. I want to big up each and every dancer, Team Razor Beat, Chin Unique, all of the big dance, all of the dancers, them versatile one and all them people, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man, for real, for real. And I wanted to ask you guys a question also, but Razor B has already answered his question without me asking him. His artist that he really looks up to is Buju Banton. So, R.E. lady, the beautiful lady, who is one of those dancehall artists that you look up to?
The world performer herself, Beyonce.
Okay. Beyonce, okay, one. And then now we're going to go to the dancehall, the reggae, the dancehall, the Jamaican part of it. Is there any...
Right now, as it relates to dancehall, female artists, of course, Spice. Spice is a show boss, you know what I mean? She bring a complete set to the table and she's doing it as a woman, an independent woman. So she's also top notch. And as it relates to the man them in the business, you know, MVP all of the way. Mavado, Alkaline, Jamil, not being biased, but those are just my preference, eh?
Yo, listen, I'm not performing it tonight. What MVP?
right now, John Oster. I don't hear she call one name, you know. I hear she mention a name, I'm a vex, but it's alright. Alright. It's totally alright, yeah? But right now...
Female artist?
Male, hello, and female. I don't hear mention Lady of the Saw. Come on. How you finna mention Lady Saw, woman?
A lot of I said that, but in my interview I said I wanted to inspire to be a raw dancehall artist, and Lady Saw was my inspiration. You remember that?
My bad.
Move on to gospel, so she's not necessarily categorized right now as dancehall. So who take the cake right now for dancehall? Without a doubt, is Spice.
And you're right. You're very right about that. Now, I want you guys to tell us a little bit more what we can expect from you in 2018 in your musical career.
Well, just expect to see me, alongside Razor B, and my other fellow individuals I called earlier MVP and DJ Kenny. And my team, we're going to be on the road non-stop. Non-stop, pure promotion, pure parties, advertisement, new music. Just work, because if we don't work, we're not going to get to where we need to get to, right?
Real chat. So you being real, and I like that. Razor B, what can we expect from you in 2018?
You know what I mean? So far, there's so many great things are happening. I mean, this Europe tour within itself is a great look. You know what I mean? A lot of new music. Just shot 3 new video in Jamaica. Go and check it out. Stop back at them. And my next new song name again. You have so much song boy. I know I'm just speaking about them. Raise up. You know what I mean? So that shot the video. The video is releasing soon. So please do check out Razor B Vivo at any given time. And I mean, thanks to all my listener, all my supporter who has made Broke Back one of my biggest songs, almost 5 million views, collectively over 15 million. My career has been over close to 30-40 million views with all my songs collectively. So it's a great looking. I mean, there's a lot of work that I'm doing this year and constantly doing a lot of work. Was looking forward to Carnival in Jamaica. It has been cancelled, but we're still excited and we're going down and we're going to support those who are jumping, you know what I mean? It was Jamaica Carnival. I was a part of it. I was the ambassador for Jamaica Carnival, heading back to Toronto to finish off the northern leg of Live My Life tour, heading to the United States to do some work too. You know, it's about promotion, and I mean, we're there with Ree, and you know, it's all about tonight, tomorrow night, and the rest of the tour. Sweden, look out for me. Holland, look out for me, you know what I mean? Hamburg, Hanover, it's going to be crazy. Razor B's going to be here, and I'm telling you, when you come to a Razor B show, you just can only expect entertainment to the fullest. Anything goes.
Straight. That's why I was going to ask you also, and I like how you talk, my brother, right? I was going to ask you also, for the listeners listening in from right now that are in Europe, where can they see you? where are you performing? So them know so them can look out for Razor B at Beautiful. I know that they can look out for Razor B. So can you tell them, King Kenny, come and tell them where they can look out for Razor B and RR performance and when in Europe.
Well, King here. Big up yourself, DJ Blue, the management. You don't know, big up the whole team, Blue Entertainment. Big up the group, big up the chat room, good as. Yo, you must know Sarah, yo, your whole works. Big up, you know, man. Yo, you can look out for Razor B and Ree tonight in backstage Stuttgart. You don't know a Chris Black thing, big up Chris Black. You can look out for Ree and Razor B tomorrow. This is Saturday at Bada Bada. You understand? In Hamburg, one of Europe's biggest dancehall party. Jugglers, big up yourself. You see me? Then after that, you know, Ree have to go back home. You understand me? I say so. You understand? The tour going.
We are send back the big ass.
Ree can't go home. Ree cannot go home in April.
Yeah, and then you have hold on now, we're not finished yet. Then you have the 23, that's the 23rd. You don't know, say, where they are Italy, by Italy. You don't know, say, a Plan B, do that thing there, big up Plan B. You might listen right now. Plan D, big up all of Italy. Always I say Plan B. Yeah, man, and you don't know, say, I know about people, I know you're listening. Braunschweig people, the 24, we're going to be in Braunschweig, you understand? The partner normal, you don't know, say, singing goal upon the thing. You understand that I'm my artist, you don't know, say, Chris Black. I mean, I say, I don't know, say, music by DJ Caperanks and DJ King Kenny. You understand? And the 25, you understand, we're back in Italy, you see me? In our next city, I think it's Napoli, you see me? And the 29, we are Timeless, one of the biggest show in Berlin, big up Timeless Sound, you understand? And the 30, Razor B is in London, the O2 Stadium, you understand? You know, so I show the big. And the 31st, we at Bigger Bashment, one of the Hanover biggest, Niedersachsen biggest party. One of you check it out, Bigger Bashment, you understand me? I say, you don't know a Jerome thing. And the 1st, we are in Sweden. That's when the ladies comes out. You don't know, you know Sweden. Big up Sweden ladies, them. Sarah, listen, big up. You understand what I say? Yeah, man.
Love you there.
You understand? And the 6th, you don't know, so that is Blue Show. You understand?
It's a
In Netherlands.
Entertainment show in Netherlands. It's in Zwolle, right? In Club Uri.
Netherlands.
Look out for that one.
In Club Uni. Von der deutschen Leute, hör mal zu. Verpasst nicht the show, komm vorbei, hör gute Musik vom Ree und Razor B. Okay? Yeah, I'm out.
Ich liebe dich.
What is going on here? 2 weeks and you're speaking a different language. I like that. Quick learning. But RR, why can't you stay for a few more weeks? We'd love to see you on a few more shows, man.
Sorry about it. I'm gonna most definitely come back. Most definitely. A big tour gonna be done in September. So that's coming right now to wet my feet a little bit, get my face out there, make everybody know me, and forward back. Is it?
All right, no problem. I want to thank you guys for being here. I know you're busy. You know you got to be on the road tonight. So I want to thank you, and I want you to say goodbye. And I want you to say goodbye in a song. You know what I mean? Sing one of those songs you're promoting now, so the people listening can hear something live from you before you go.
I know you guys should know this song, so this is the only reason why I'm going to do it. It's featuring Devin the Doctor from Birch Hill Studios. Long time me want somebody like you, come right road me RR. Jump on your bike, make it boom, 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 make it carry me go far, far. Baby, me want ride on it.
Well, yeah, first of all, I just want to say thanks for this interview, you know what I mean? Really appreciate it, you know what I mean? Big up Teamblue, King Kenny, and the whole massive. Really big up yourself, you know what I mean? Flying all the way from Jamaica to be a part of this European tour. Please do remember, check out my website, www.razorb.com, and my Instagram at The Real Razor B. So at The Real Razor B, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Check me out. A matter of fact, we not left, I know. Oh, yeah. Well, you know, go and left me. Me not ready yet. The coffee them sweet enough. Sound not too boring. My energy you want kill. We don't know that they better go no emergency. Can go on me a scare.
That you
are. Can you tell your fans and our listeners right now, where can they go and find your music, and how can they get in contact with you if they want to book you for a show?
No problem. All on my social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, it's Re-Official, RRE Official, and you'd have all information there. Re-Bookings, RRE Bookings. Everything is on the social media platform. Just make sure you just look out and, yeah, I'm here at your service. Yeah.
I'll make you one, bro. Yeah. Back. All right, I want to say thank you, and goodbye. Everybody, you know, say that was the man himself.
Right now, we are going to the hotel. Right now, yeah. Right now, we are going to
people. I want to say thank you for listening in. That was RR, the beautiful RR. No, should I say what she have on to the people? You cannot miss the show tonight in Germany. And also the man, him change his name to Topless. You understand me? Him now in a shirt, 12 abs in the same have. It was a beautiful interview. I want to thank you, each and everyone for listening. But right now, I want to drop one of her new songs like this.
Just easy production. Double lie. Me rule, me want me come first. Me no play 10 for second or third. Just easy production. Double lie. Me rule, me want me come first. Me no play 10 for second or third. Me no too care about your concern. Me a one girl army. Me rule, me want me come first. Me no play 10 for second or third. Me no too care about your concern. Me a one girl army. Me coop on you. Come and talk about what you want to do. Catch in a which face, mind something reach you. No need me to me one seek you. Hot gal have no time for no flight. Shop we a shop first class.